Okay, so consider the graph of function g. The dashed line represent asymptotes. What are the limits of g at negative and positive infinity? Okay, so what is the limit of g at negative infinity? So if we approach negative infinity, we can see that the graph is approaching positive 4. And if we approach positive infinity, we can see the graph is approaching positive 1. So that's why they will answer. Okay, they are asking us to find the limit as x tends to 0, sine x divided by sine 2x. And the problem is if we plug in sine a value of 0 here, 2 times 0 is 0 and sine 0 is becomes undefined. So we actually can't find the limit in this format. So we have to use the laws of trigonometric identities in order to rephrase it in a different way. So we know that sine 2x can be written as 2 sine x cos x, and we substitute we cross out sine x from here and we can write 1 upon 2 cos x. Now if you plug in 0 here, we know that cos 0 is 1, so 1 upon 2 times 1 is just half, and this is how we get an answer of half. All right, what is the limit of cos x as it tends to pi? Well, it's 0, because we know that cos pi is 0. um, and pi means is 180 degree, and cos has a graph of something like this. So this is 0, this is um, pi, and this is um, wait. Cos has a graph of this. So this is 0, which is like 0, this is 1, this is pi by 290. Pi is minus 1 actually, yep. And this is 2 pi, the same thing, so it's minus 1 actually, not 0. Yep. These are the graphs of function f and g. Dash line represent as which functions are continuous with the interval negative 2 to 4. So from negative 2 to positive 4, as you can see, there is an asymptote, so it's not continuous, of course. But from negative 2 to 4, this is continuous, so it's fine. And so b will be our answer. Given the function h and asked to estimate the limit of h as it stands x tends to negative 8, three students created tables. Each table is accurate, but which one is the best for approaching limit? Okay, so negative 8, and we don't have x equals to negative 8, so how can this be appropriate? But here we have negative 8, but you see that the values are far apart from it. But here you have negative 8, but it's very close each other, and it's from both sides. It's approaching, as you can see that for close values of 8, it's approaching, and it helps us to find the limit. But here the values are further apart because you're taking values from too long from 8, both from the right side and the left side. So that's why C is the answer.